I'm looking forward to the warehousing. We did phase one test, which was great. We have two warehouses that's got different components to it. So we're starting one out on the simpler one, but just, I'm looking at is that if it's as easy steps or even anywhere close to the easy steps as the maintenance was, it's going to be great. When you have a group of mechanics and I'll walk to the back that all love the new product, nobody complains about the change. I think that right there spoke a lot about it. I walked back there the second or third day when they were implementing, they all had the iPads out and all of them. They're just like, this is fantastic. Why hadn't we done this a long time ago? And that's the guys out there working it. They love it because it's very clear. It shows them what they need to do, and they got their job assignment. And there's so many features on it that we haven't used. We haven't, put where we keep people's time up. You can track time on the jobs. You can track time for the, we don't pay our guys like that, so we haven't used that. But I mean, there's all kinds of great features in it. If we wanted to implement, we could. And that's kind of what we're seeing with the warehouse one. It's going to be our needs that we ask for. And then there's, hey, by the way, while we were building it, we went in and put this in there. You may need it down the road. So that's what's really cool about it. There's some things that Cody and I were looking at the other day. I want to get maybe something with our inventory. So get some inventory parts involved and start looking at that along with the maintenance piece. So that would be the next big step, I would say, for me, would be inventory going into the system as well.